All right, here we've got my 97 ZJ, and I'm getting ready to put some rock sliders on. I'm going to cut the panels off below the doors and then weld in some metal pieces. I've got some 2x3 and 2x4 square tubing that I plan to weld together so that instead of using a 2x6 or a 2x7, I think it'll be better to weld together two pieces, and then you have a seam in the center which will give it more support, and then going 7 inches will allow it to stick out. I'm hoping that it sticks out almost flush with the tires, and then you've got a little bit of a step. So that's the plan anyways. We'll see how it goes. So yesterday I was out tooling around in the mud. It turned into a long day. I wasn't anticipating the mud being so slippery and almost getting stuck.